Okay, so right now we're in the bedroom. The bed's not made. There's a couple of water bottles on the floor. I'm sorry about the lighting in here. I have a great big old window, but I've got shade in that window, so I just don't get good lighting in here, and I apologize about the lighting. I really do. So if y'all can see this white stuff, that's carpet freshener that I've already thrown down on the floor. So this floor is definitely going to get vacuumed today. It's a couple of dirty clothes. I might as well just pick them up while we're looking at them. So in here, this is the living room. Yeah. My grandson's been here with us most of the weekend, so it gets pretty dirty in here. Just kind of stuff laying around everywhere that needs to be dealt with. More carpet freshener. Definitely going to do the floors in here today as well. So I had managed to get some laundry done late last night because we were swimming and we had wet towels, and I don't like to leave wet towels for too long, but I've got to fold all that laundry. I've got to do this laundry. This bathroom's not too bad, but it could still be touched. Yep. See that? I hate that. That drives me nuts. And this drives me nuts too. You see this? When people just leave the toilet paper roll like that. And the toilet paper's right there, but they can't put it right there. Literally, let me back you up. That's so hard to do. Gloom and doom having to do that. So yeah, I guess we'll have to work on this bathroom too. I'm telling y'all, it's a lot today. This drives me nuts. It's gonna have to be organized today too as well. So yeah, this is the mess in here. Sorry about the lighting again. Allison, I bought eggs and we have biscuits.
You made breakfast?
I might make breakfast.
Come on, make breakfast, Mom.
These are dirty towels. They need to be washed. Dishes. Crap all over the countertops. I made chicken spaghetti yesterday, and I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but it's like noodles literally all over this rug. They're just... Oh, there's a better view. There it is. They're everywhere. All over the darn place. And my daughter wants me to make breakfast for her. So we have a full trash can full of trash. And let me show y'all this. So I've also been working on this. Repainting it. It was brown. I didn't like it brown. And I'm going for the farmhouse look in my house. So I have currently been working on this. This is work in progress. It's not finished yet. I've started on it. Did a little bit last night. Did a little bit early this morning. And all this is actually what goes on this. But I can't put it back up there yet until I get it painted all the way that I want. I need to do another coat and I need to finish. So working on that too. This floor, it needs to be vacuumed badly and mopped because I got a little bit of paint right there. But yeah, this is what we're working on. Basically, we're pretty much working on everything in this house today. Everything. And look, I went and did a little bit of grocery shopping. I'm so tired that I haven't even put those groceries away yet. Like, shame on me. But yeah, we're going to get to this today for sure.